This is Snowy versus Neebu. Snowy ate Neebu for the first time. Now he is in shock. What did I eat? What is happening to me? He wants to eat Neebu one more time, but he's confused. Snowy, eat Neebu. You like Neebu? Oh my god. He's playing with the Neebu. He's playing with lemon. Come on, Snowy, you can do it. You can eat it. No, it's so bitter. No, no, no. So Snowy is now fighting with the lemon because it's too sour. Snowy, do you want to eat lemon? Oh, look at him. Look at our chotu bacha. Oh my god, he's eating it. No, he's not eating it. It's to be or not to be. Oh, look at him. Snowy, come on, baby, you can eat the lemon. Come on, eat it. Oh yes, no, I don't like it. No, I just want to taste it once. Maybe it will taste better this time. No, it didn't. Okay, he's eating it. No, he's not. Snowy versus lemon. Oh, my baby, I love you, Snow.
स्नोई नींबू के साथ लड़ाई कर रहा है। ये देखो स्नोई नींबू को भौंकता भी है और उसके साथ लड़ाई भी करता है। स्नोई को नींबू खट्टा लगता है बहुत। ये देखो अच्छा स्नोई देखो स्नोई को नींबू पसंद नहीं आ रहा। स्नोई खट्टा है नींबू। फुल मजे लेता है नींबू के। चुपके खाता है। अब लड़ेगा उससे। कैसा लगा? स्नोई को नींबू समझ नहीं आता बिल्कुल भी। लड़ता है भागता है उसको। बस बोर हो गया जी।